This segment is sponsored by Abish Financial Services. When you look at your retirement account statements, you see the account and you see your name listed as an account owner. Well, would it surprise you to learn that your account has an unlisted co-owner? The host of Retirement Key Radio and the founder and CEO of Abish Financial Services, Abe Abish, shared that little known detail and what it means for your retirement. Abe, so great to have you back here on Great Day Washington. We learned that on our retirement accounts, there's a co-owner. Who is this co-owner?
Kristen, you would be surprised. I mean, when the market's down, people are definitely not looking at their statements. When the market's up, it's very easy to open up our statements, but you'd be surprised what can be on people's statements, especially with Social Security. People come in all the time and we help them to make Social Security decisions, and you'd be surprised, but their earnings record sometimes is wrong, and people pass away and get divorced and all these things. And if our plan and account statements are not up to date, you might be surprised as who the beneficiary is on your accounts. And so, our Where Do I Stand plan process basically puts all of this information together. It's a thorough compass check and assessment on all of your accounts, all of your statements. We put that together into an actionable plan so it's up to date, and so that the plan keeps up with your life changes.
It's kind of like we're spring cleaning our retirement plans. Like, we just got to look at that paperwork every now and then and get it fixed, and you guys are there to help us. How can a proper tax management strategy make a big difference?
Tax management and tax planning, tax mitigation, and a comprehensive holistic retirement plan, Kristen, is so crucial and important. Taxes are our biggest expense in retirement. And so if we just ignore taxes, take a 401k or a TSP or an IRA. Most Americans save all of their dollars in those types of accounts because that's what we've been told to do, right? Put your head down, work as hard as you can, max out your accounts, get the company match, and then all of a sudden, you're 60, 65 years old, and you've got $1 million in there, $2 million in there. Well, what if it's all taxable? What if it's never been taxed, right? Because we've been taking the deductions on our contributions all of these years. Well, if it's never been taxed and then taxes go up, or you retire and your house is paid off and your kids are out of the home and there's fewer deductions, you could have a tax problem, right? You could have a ticking tax time bomb on your 401ks and TSPs. So we have to plan for taxes in a great retirement plan.
So tax planning can help our money, but so can income planning. Why do you recommend creating multiple streams of income?
Yeah, multiple streams of income. It's important to be investment diversified. It's important to be tax diversified. Same with income diversification. Think about this, Kristen. If all of your income was just coming from Social Security or annuities or stocks or Bitcoin or real estate, well, that wouldn't be diversified, right? And then if something happened to your real estate, to your stocks or Bitcoin or annuities or whatever you're invested in, we could have a problem. So it's so important to have your income be diversified across multiple income streams. It'd be great if you could have 4 or 5 different streams of income coming in, so you have true income diversification and true income in retirement you can depend on, so you can do all the things in retirement that you want to do.
And this could be an increasing income?
It can be. We want to make sure that our income plan keeps up with inflation over the rest of our lives. Inflation is one of those buzzwords we've been hearing a lot lately because of all the printing of money that's going on right now.
Right.
And if you think about what gas and milk cost 10, 15 years ago, think about what that will cost 15 or 20 years from now. And a lot of people are living into their 90s. We need to make sure our income lasts us for the next 20, 30, 35 years so we can have fun and do all the things we want to do in retirement.
And I know for you, to help our viewers at home, you have a special offer for them today?
I do, Kristen. For the first 5 callers that have investable assets of $500,000 or greater for retirement, I'd like to personally invite them into our office where my team and I will put together their own custom retirement plan, their own custom retirement roadmap. And Kristen will do this on a complimentary basis.
Wonderful. I love that. A roadmap onto a joyful retirement. Abe, thanks so much.
You're welcome.
Once again, for the first 5 callers who have investable assets of $500,000 or greater, you can get a complimentary retirement roadmap. That number to call is 571-322-8373.